Now let me ask you something because this is amazing. I mean, this is something and me as a business owner and everything that we do, we've been learning a little more about marketing. That's something that we're still kind of novice at. But when I heard you speak about what you do, a lot of things start coming out. So we help a lot of businesses in all industries. Is this something that works for every industry? And would every industry work in the same platform? So you say you actually teach a lot of your clients or students to go into YouTube or Facebook or Snapchat. And again, let's say we're talking about funding or let's talk about a mechanic. Who they go to after, and what platform is better, and would paper calls, clicks will actually work for them?
Sure. So the technical answer will be no, and the long answer will be yes. So let me explain why. Let me
There we go.
explain why I say that. Does it work for every industry? No, definitely not. So, this is not going to work for, um, let me give you an example. This is not really going to work for a restaurant, right? Because restaurant is mostly walk-in traffic. Restaurants, I don't see restaurants moving into the pay per call route where they're going to pay for people to call in and put an order. Could it work? Yes, but not really. Now, the long answer is yes. It will work for most businesses. So, what's up, Jason? It will work for most businesses. So, it will work for, your main verticals, which I will identify them as insurance, uh, as financial, legal, and home services. So chances are that if you're one of those main category, it will work for you.
Wow, wow. Okay, that's awesome. That's good to know.
Sure.